You want to learn the old song Jackaroo? Okay, so you slide into the E note, which is the second fret of the D string, fourth string. And then you hit that adjacent A right there on the second fret of the third string. Okay, so, and then it's so E, 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 A, E, 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 E flat, D, C, A minor, E, A minor. Okay? I guess it takes a little bit to practice getting that rhythm down. When you're practicing something new that's difficult, just you can slow it down to a ridiculous speed and get competent at it before you speed up. I've seen people teach it other ways, but I think that's how it is anyway. The chord progression is A minor, C, C, E. Sometimes I'll slide up to here. A minor, C, F, C. And then you walk down C, B, B flat, A, and then the A minor, E, A minor. And the riff. There was a wealthy merchant, London he did dwell. Sweethearts aplenty, men of high degree, but none but Jack the sailor her true love there could be. Oh, her true love there could be. I'll just mention when you go in like, so that walk down is C, and then you sort of strum it. Finish the walk down. A minor, A minor. Jackie's gone a-sailing with trouble on his mind. He left his queen, his country, and his darling girl behind. Oh, his darling girl behind. Guitar solo. I go up to play A minor, and then land on an E, and then play it A minor, try it up here, rooting on the second string on the 10th fret. That's an A minor, and then to a C, try it, which is basically a fragment of this bar chord. So again, A minor triad. If you don't know this shape, it's basically this D shape, but instead of playing the root note, the open D string, you just play the top three strings, okay? And a minor obviously is like this, and you're rooting off the second fret, the second string. So that's your tonic note there. So D, E, F, G, A. So I'm building the solo, I'm hitting the open A to start it, and I'm playing an A minor sort of riff. A minor and C is the same, so since the first three chords is A minor, C, C, and then to an E is the fourth bar, right? So the solo would go A minor, that's a C, so A minor and C are the same, you're just kind of like toying with it, and then you walk up to the E, during that chord change, right? And then the next set of chords is back to an A minor. So you're up an octave here. C, F. That's just this bar chord, but there's a fragment. Back to a C. to a tailor shop to dress in men's array. When aboard a vessel to convey yourself away. Oh, convey yourself away. I see your waist is slender. No, how does it go? It goes, before you get on board, sir, your name we'd like to know. She smiled all in her countenance. They call me Jack Rowe. Oh, they call me Jack Rowe. I see your waist is slender and your fingers, they are small. Your cheeks are red and rosy to face the cannonball. Is slender and my fingers, they are small. Oh, it would not make me tremble to see 10,000 fall. Maybe I didn't need to do that excessive strumming. And when the war was over, she went and looked around. Among the dead and buried, her darling boy she found. Oh, her darling boy she found. And she picked him up all in her arms and carried him to the town. She called for a physician who quickly healed his wound. Couple they got married, so well they did agree. This couple they got married, so why not you and me? Oh, why not you and me? There it is. Let me know if you think that is helpful or where I totally royally screwed up that